the first question always is on everybody's mind, and when we first reached out to you with the idea, and can you just tell us what was the thought running in your head? Why did you agree to be a part of Spider-Man?
मुझे याद है उस वक्त हम जिम में थे, you and me, and it's all thanks to Vivek sir and Lada sir. I mean, these guys are instrumental in recruiting me for this, so thank you so much. It's like a dream come true क्योंकि बचपन से मैं बहुत ही बड़ा सुपर हीरो फ़ैन हूँ, खासकर स्पाइडरमैन. हालांकि मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरा सपना हाफ पूरा हो गया. आई वॉन्ट टू बी स्पाइडरमैन एक्चुअली समडे, तो दिस इज़ वन स्टेप closer for me. So yeah, thank you so much for choosing me, and I hope I didn't let you guys down, and I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the film because the film is something else. मुझे याद है when so there were two sort of alter egos, two characters मुझे निभाना था screen पर. One was that of Peter Parker and one was of Spider-Man, of course. So as Spider-Man, I had to sort of to get into the character. मैंने Spider-Man का mask पहन रखा था. So I was wearing his mask and dubbing, and while doing the action sequences, I was actually moving and shouting and reacting to the hits, and it was like I felt like I was part of the film, like I was fighting as Spider-Man. So it was a very surreal experience. Yeah.
Great, guys.
Haji.
Yeah, this is Ganesh from Bollywood.
Hi.
So basically, I'm trying to ask is basically when Andrew Garfield, जब उन्हें Amazing Spider-Man का के लिए पहली बार वो Spider-Man suit पहना था, so he admitted to crying. So because obviously Spider-Man is such an icon, we have all grown around him, and so even Tom Holland has said that ki wearing the suit is something special. So was it a very? Did you have any kind of a emotional experience when you were in that dubbing room and when you were Spider-Man in the dubbing?
I was also crying क्योंकि एक नकाब के पीछे I could hide my tears. So I was also crying out of joy, and it was a surreal experience, and I was really enjoying it. Yeah.
ओके टाइगर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, वीओ करना, इफ यू कैन हियर माय वॉइस,
कहाँ
आई एम
पे हो
हियर,
सर?
आई एम
कहाँ
हियर,
पे
आई एम
हो?
हियर.
हाँ, हाँ.
एक वीओ करना और वो भी स्पाइडरमैन जैसा, जब हम स्पाइडरमैन की बात करते हैं पूरी दुनिया जानती है स्पाइडरमैन के बारे में, तो क्या तैयारियां की आपने? डू यू सेट समथिंग जस्ट राइट नाउ बट स्टिल वांट टू नो कि एक वीओ करना है और उसी में सब एक्टिंग करनी है, अपने जज्बात बताने हैं, जैसे आपने कहा कि आप मास्क लगा के और पूरी जैसे आपको मार रहा है कोई, उसका भी उसका भी आप आवाज़ दे रहे हैं कि आपको लग रही है, क्या तैयारियां करी हैं? डू यू वेंट इन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग व्हेन गिविंग अ वॉइस? एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट.
No, actually, no training whatsoever. I was offered, and then I was called into the dubbing room, और तब शुरू हुई थी कहानी. And I think मेरे लिए आसान था क्योंकि I had a great actor like Tom Holland, जो हॉलीवुड एक्टर है स्पाइडरमैन का. I had to just sort of copy him to the best of my ability. और तो मुझे खाली रिपीट करना था जो वो कर रहे थे, और कोशिश की मैंने टू sort of keep his character alive.
जैसे आपने कहा कि आपका कंटिन्यू ख्वाब पूरा होता जा रहा है स्पाइडरमैन से रिलेटेड, क्या फिल्म का मौका मिले आपको हॉलीवुड में स्पाइडरमैन बनने का, करना चाहेंगे? व्हाट इज योर, डू यू थिंक द ड्रीम कम ट्रू वंस यू गेट द ऑफर?
जैसे मैं कह रहा था, एक चाइल्डहुड से सपना था, एंड सपना है. तो या आई थिंक इफ़ आई एवर गेट एन ऑफर आई विल डेफिनेटली डू इट. और मैं ये भी साबित करना चाहूँगा उन सब से कि जो कुछ भी स्पाइडरमैन करता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. और बस और शायद बजट का भी थोड़ा उतना खर्च नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं केबल ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ. तो
Hi, I'm Anshita from Animation Express.
Hi.
So my question is that did you have to do any kind of research or study on Spider-Man's and Peter Parker's personality for giving the voice?
Not really, ma'am. I've been a fan of Spider-Man growing up, and I've seen all the films, and recently I've seen Homecoming as well. So, with that being said, I sort of know the characteristics of Peter Parker, and yeah, I just sort of try to keep them intact.
That came up except for
I think that's, thank you so much. That's very sweet of you, Vivek sir. हालांकि एक करेक्शन है, मैं इंडिया का सबसे पॉपुलर सुपरस्टार नहीं हूँ.
one of the most
एक
popular.
बचकान हूँ मैं,
Okay.
बाप मेरा बाप है तो इसमें, और या. But thank you, sir. Thank you, very
That's
kind.
true.
But Tiger, what was your first reaction when you came to know that you've been doing voiceover for the?
What was my first reaction? Oh, I was over the moon, sir. I was over the moon, and I was most happy because I was going to get to see the film as well. So yeah, I was very happy. Hrithik Roshan or Jackie Shroff?
Tiger?
Why, Ritik, I understand. Why Jackie Shroff?
I thought you would ask otherwise.
क्योंकि सच बात ये है कि मेरे पापा एक्चुअली इंडिया का सबसे पहला सुपर हीरो थे. शिवा का इंसाफ करके एक पिक्चर थी उनकी 1985 में, एंड दैट वाज इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट 3D सुपर हीरो फिल्म. सो या ही वाज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही इज़ ऑल्सो माई हीरो and he is my superhero. I mean, every son's first hero is their father, I think, or daughter. Yeah.
ओके टाइगर, गिवन अ चॉइस, अगर किसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म का, जहाँ पे मैं क्रिश की बात करता हूँ, और भी कई फिल्में आई हैं जो सुपर हीरो पे बेस हैं, कोई एक किरदार अगर करना चाहें, आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये मैं इसका हिस्सा बनना चाहूँगा, तो कौन सी बॉलीवुड फिल्म होगी, या कौन सा वो सुपर हीरो जो आप करना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक अगर महाभारत पे अगर कोई मूवी बनेगी, या अगर हाँ, oh he's already working on that. Okay, so I hope he's watching this interview then. पता नहीं यार, आई थिंक हनुमान जी शायद निभाना चाहूँगा मैं, या राम, या
Tiger, here, center. Hi, this is Nairita from T2. If Tiger Shroff is Spider-Man in real life, who is his Mary Jane?
Oh, that's a tough one. Can I say Madhuri Dixit?
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
Hi, Tiger. So I'm sure we all are really excited for Spider-Man, but there's also a Rambo coming in. And as soon as Rambo was officially announced, all of us was very excited, including the man himself, Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah.
So I really want to know, how are you prepping up for the character? What's the most challenging part for playing Rambo? And also, after being part of Spider-Man or Rambo, do you have any plans to do a Hollywood flick in future?
As for the prep right now, फिलहाल there is no prep, क्योंकि मुन्ना माइकल की promotion चल रही है, और उसके बाद I'm getting into Baghi 2, and उसके बाद I have SOTY 2. So Rambo is still far way off, but the prep will definitely be exhausting physically and mentally. खासकर क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा expectation है. It is a cult action film, and it is one of the greatest Hollywood legends, Mark. So I don't want to replace him, but I'm sort of just paying tribute to him, just borrowing it for a bit.
Any plans to enter Hollywood in future?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I ever get an offer, but right now I'm quite happy with my lineup. How difficult is it? I'm sure it must be very difficult. I mean, मेरे से 10 गुना बड़े stars मतलब have done so much hard work to get there. जैसे कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा मैम और दीपिका. Both of them are such talented heroines and on the top of their games, and even they have to audition. So yeah, I'm still a long way off, I guess.
Tiger, right here. Nikita from Free Press. I would like to know, Tony Stark is a very sarcastic, very debonair character. So if somebody from Bollywood would be chosen to play Tony Stark opposite along with you, who would you choose?
Wow, Tony Stark. Maybe Akshay Kumar. I think he'd really fit the bill. He's really cool that way, and he's got a great sense of humor. Yeah.
Tiger, one last question. Though there is a lot of excitement around Baghi 2, you would be teaming up with Disha for the first time. Considering the friendly equation that you guys share, would you be more at ease or say comfortable working with her?
Definitely. More at ease for sure, because we share such a great bond, and I'm very comfortable around her. So yeah, I think to answer your question, yes.
You said this is like a dream come true for you. Any other dream?
Half dream come true. Half other dream come true.
Yes. Any other dream that you would like to get fulfilled?
I want to be Spider-Man. That is my dream. And and of course make. I mean, like every son would want to make his or her. Son or daughter would want to make his or her parent proud. I want to just make my parents proud. That's the ultimate dream.
At least I can tell you that Aisha ma'am is extremely proud of you.
Chalo, I'm happy then. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. हो गया? Okay.
Hello.
Thank you.